red pandemonium. These roly-poly creatures are red pandas. Many people think they're some of the most adorable animals around. Despite their name, red pandas are not close relatives of the giant panda, although they both love to eat bamboo. Red pandas are actually related to raccoons. They both have striped bushy tails. Unlike raccoons, though, red pandas are an endangered species. Their habitat in the Asian forest has been destroyed by farming and construction. That means fewer red pandas can survive. Today, less than 10,000 red pandas remain in the wild. Red pandas live in forests in the snowy Himalayan mountains. Their thick furry coat is an adaptation that keeps them warm and dry in the cold. Their reddish-brown color is an adaptation too. It helps them hide in the forest from predators like leopards. In fact, red pandas are so good at hiding that sometimes even scientists can't find them. This makes it difficult to study the animals in the wild. So biologists around the world are studying these creatures in captivity. Many zoos breed and raise baby red pandas to help increase the population. Female red pandas have 2 or 3 cubs at a time. When they're born, the cubs are small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. The newborn cubs are helpless, so if a mother can't properly care for her young, zookeepers have to step in. It's a full-time job. Just like human babies, red panda cubs need constant attention. As the cubs grow, zoo researchers carefully observe them. What they learn helps them understand red pandas in the wild. Plus, red pandas are fun to watch. They love to play with each other, especially in the snow. Scientists are working to protect red pandas' forest habitat. They hope that will help keep the cute creatures playing in the snow for years to come.